Hey guys, I'm back. I took it apart, but let me take these apart. So now let's start building again. See if it's correct. So I'm gonna see if this is correct. It's correct. Be that 3. Yeah, this is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, that's correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5. Okay. Okay. I already know what's next. Okay, I know what's next. You never know what's next. Yeah, I do. Nano's Monster Storm. Well, you're correct, but yeah, you gotta follow my rules. I hate you. Getting God. With the win and ease. But ring around the rosie, yes, somebody follows. Alright. I don't know what's next. Yeah, I do. Not a monster stew. You wanna get through it. You just gotta chew it. You're so bad at this. I'm the best at this. I was human, but now I'm a demigod. You never know what's X. Boat snack! Boat snack! Bip, 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 bip. Boat snack. Boat snack. Boat snack. Boat I left poop for you in my little box. Yeah, go clean it up. Oh, I don't have to clean your little box up. Just have to dump your little box in the garbage and buy you a new one. A clean one! No, a dirty, poopy one. How's my little puppies doing? Meow. Meow, 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 meow. With nachos. Why do I hear that? I can't. What? Who the heck are you? You don't remember because we jumped so loud. You museum pop. I would like to be part of a please, museum pop. Chunkster. Who are you calling Chunkster? I'll call you Bunkster. Okay, Chunkster. Who are you calling Chunkster? Because you're going to be Bunkster. Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out, Chunkster. Get out, Chunkster. Get out, brand new Chunkster. Chunkster. Malia, no! That's bag number 3. We have to wait. Mom, can you get Malia out of my room? Mom? So now that finally worked, yeah, I'm gonna just that little. Just like that. 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 Just like. Just like that. 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 Come, baby! This piece goes. Hey, Carla, will you bring in her to my room? Mia, go! Mia, go! Just like that. Hey. This eeny weeny. I know this isn't eeny weeny, but it's tiny. Tiny is like this. Da, 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 do, 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 do. Da, 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 for the now chew up these, chew up these, chew up, chew. That. And then just pick up us. I know future. Just because you know the future doesn't mean you know everything. The future is everything. I know forever. I know everything forever and on. One, two, two. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One, what? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's go rock and roll. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Rock and roll. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna drive till I can't. I'm gonna eat till I can't no more. With the bogles in the back, the trailer has no track. With the bogles in the back, the trailer has no track. I'm gonna eat till I can't no more. The bogles in the back, the trailer has no track. The bogles in the back, the trailer has no track. With the bogles in the back, the trailer has no track. Isn't this scale piece a new piece? Wait, I'm gonna eat till I can't no more. I'm gonna eat burgers in the back. With the vocals in the back, back. Trailer has no track. With the vocals in the back. With the vocals in the back. No. Eat till I can't no more. With the vocals in the back. The trailer had no track. I'm gonna eat till I can't no more. I'm gonna eat till I can't no more. With the vocals in the back. The trailer has no track. I'm gonna eat till I can't no more. With the vocals in the back. The trailer has no track. I'm gonna eat till I can't no more. With the vocals in the I hope those bendy Lego pieces. I want plastic bendy Lego pieces. I want those. Who is this orange or red? Oh, that's red. I'm gonna eat till I can't no more with the bullet in the back. Gonna cheat till I can't cheat no more. Gonna cheat till I can't no more. I don't care if I get kicked out. I don't even like this sport. Any flipping way. Where did I put the stickles? What the heck? Where did I have no idea where Last time I saw the stickle, they were right there. Let me think. Think like a village. Think. Oh yeah, I put them over here. With all the other things. Put the focus in the back. I'm gonna eat. Do what? Got no more. Vocals in the back. The trailer has no track. Well, this was the same problem with the submarine. I couldn't get it in. I'm gonna choose what burger I want. They got the Big Macs, the cheeseburgers. I'm gonna choose what burger I want. They got the Big Macs, the Big Macs. chicken nuggets, fries. I got drinks, got everything. I'm gonna buy it all. But I bought the entire restaurant. Now, whatever they make is for me. Then I have infinite food. Butter, 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 butter. With the butter, 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 the butter, 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 the butter, 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 butter. With the butter, butter, bit, the butter, butter, it. Gonna cheat with nothing. How do you cheat with nothing? Well, if you want to cheat with nothing, you can't cheat. Well, if I can't cheat, then how do I cheat? Don't cheat. Oh! So not cheating is a rule. Vocals in the back. I just had an idea. Okay. Put the butter, with the vocals in the back. With the bottle in the bottle, the bottle in the bottle, the bottle, bottle, but, the bottle, bottle, but, bottle, but, the bottle, but. I didn't want that. I wanted that. More stickers than I could imagine. Those three guys were the first Legos I ever freaking made. I know the first Lego I ever recorded, but it's really small. And you guys probably already saw it. So I bother and tell you. The middle of a Lego set. What? Keep this between you and me. Okay. I see what's happening in your face to face with greatness and its shrines. I know it's a lot. The head, the pods. When you're staring at a demigod. So what can I say except you're welcome for the islands I pulled from the sea. There's no need to praise, okay? You're welcome. Mommy can do anything but float. You're welcome. Well, come to think of it, kid, I can enough to cut tie the grass, the ground, or or just mommy just messing around? I killed a nail, belly, guts. Got coconuts. What's the lesson? What does it take away? Donuts from mom. He's on a breakaway. And skin. I win. Look where I am. I can make everything happen. You lying son of a... Okay. You can say this to me. You kick your butt. Or you get the heck out of here. Kick my butt. Wait, what? Kick my butt. See what's gonna happen to your butt. Ah! I don't want to see what happens to my butt. I want to see what happens to yours. But okay. Why is this here? Well, come think of it. Hit. I can honestly kick your nut 1,000 times, but I can lift up 1,000 islands. I lift up infinite islands. We're always gonna lift up. So many islands. And I'm gonna kick the islands nuts. Get out! Mom, Mia's in my room. Mom, Mia's in my room. Okay, just stop. Mia, get out. No. You want me to tell? Mommy. You want me to tell Mom? Mommy did. Stop. Mommy did. Mia! Stop! Mommy did. Stop! Mommy. Okay. I see. Yeah, it is a lot. The head and the bod. Stick on that demigod. I'm gonna push you like you've never been pushed before. Oh, come on. I got one question. Come on. Let's get it. This guy's not. Extras are meant for like if you lose a piece in this Lego set. Ooh. Now we need this piece like that. Then we need this just like that. Mom used to be a planet. Life. It's nothing but disgrace of this. Life is dead. All this path there was no life. If you can't manage yourself, then I might have to manage you. You don't listen when I man. You don't wanna see what happened when I managed you. So don't let me see you. Imagine yourself, set yourself. Just like that. Okay. Hook. Part 2 because it's